Friends, I come to you from many thousand miles away as the ambassador of a very ancient country to the youngest nation in the world. It may surprise you that a country which you are taught to regard as conservative should have chosen a woman to be its representative and ambassador. But if you read aright the whole history of Indian civilization, you will realize that woman has been the very pivot of its culture, of its inspiration, and of all the embassies of peace that have gone abroad for many centuries to the uttermost parts of the world. Friends of the New World, I arrived only last night past that Statue of Liberty that stands as a guardian of your freedom at the gateways of a new world. And with the best intention in the world to feel unfamiliar in this new country, my spirit feels that it has come home to a new version of old things.
Hello everyone, myself Braspati Swai of class 8 stands before you to deliver a speech on National Women's Day. Do you know why National Women's Day is celebrated? What is the basis of celebrating National Women's Day? You heard it correct. It's because to embark the birth anniversary of Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13th February 1879 in Bengal. Her family later shifted to Hyderabad. Her father's name was Aghorenath Chattopadhyay and her mother's name was Baroda Sundari Devi. She had greatly participated, or we can say she had actively participated in the Indian freedom struggle movement. She was also a great poet and had emphasis on some of the activities like women's rights, political stability, and anti-imperialism. After independence, she became the governor of Uttar Pradesh and was the first female lady to take over this seat. In 1927, means before independence, she was first appointed as the lady head of the Congress. As I have said, she was a great poet. She had done tremendous contribution in the field of poetry. Her first composition was Mahir Munin, which was impressed by Nizam of Hyderabad. Her first publication as a poet was in 1905 and the book name was The Golden Threshold. Her second publication was in 1912 and the book name was The Birds of Time. In 1905, she joined the Indian National Struggle Movement where she met some peoples like Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi and Krishna Gokhale. Inspiring others and being inspired by others is the greatest personality of Sarojini Naidu. As we all know that the greatest people don't last for the longer time, Sarojini Naidu left us on 2 March 1949. That day we lost the Nightingale of India. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Hello everyone, this is Akti Sharma from class 8 and today I'll introduce about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born in Hyderabad in 1879. She was a politician, activist and a poet who fought for the India's independence from the British. After India got independence, she became the first woman state governor of India. Now, I'll recite a poem for Sarojini Naidu. O young through all thy immemorial years, rise, mother, rise, regenerated from thigh glue. And like a bride high mated with the spears, beget new glories from the ageless wombs. The nations that in fettered darkness weep, crave tree to leave them where great morning break. Mother, O mother, therefore those who sleep, arise and answer for thy children's sake. The future calls thee with manifold sound to crescent honors, splendors, victorious vast. Waken, O dumbering mother, and be crowned, who once went empress of the sovereign past. Thank you, everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Anandita Tiwari. I study in class first. I am student of Dps Jagdalpur. Now I am going to say few lines about Sarojini Naidu in the poem. Sarojini Naidu was a poetess as well freedom fighter. She was also known Nightingale of India due to her poetic qualities. She was born on 13 February on 1879 in a Bengali family in Hyderabad. From a poppy bowl for you I stole a little lovely dream. Dear eyes, good night in golden light. The stars around you gleam. On you I press with soft caress a little lovely dream. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Anvisha Sarma of class 6, one of the IAs. Today I'm going to plant a sapling. Here I planted a sapling. Thank you.